geysers typically emerge in regions of intense volcanic activity. Lake Bogoria, nestled within the Great Rift Valley, is such a place where volcanic forces shaped the land millennia ago. Though the last eruptions occurred 3,000 years ago, the boiling waters beneath the earth still hint at the volcanic activity below. The sulfuric steam and scalding waters create a hazardous environment for humans and wildlife alike. Yet they also produce mesmerizing spectacles. The geyser region's warm, humid conditions create a haven for insects, thus attracting various bird species. Among them, the blacksmith lapwing stands out, a resident of this volatile landscape. Amidst the steaming waters, it forages undeterred,